Hey guys, Keela here, and today we're gonna be talking about something. I'm not sure yet. Okay, I am scared right now because I'm outside when it's after it rained. It's still cloudy, like a thunderstorm's coming, and I'm scared. I'm just gonna stay outside until a thunderstorm comes because I'm a stupid head. Come on, dumb, because I'm a dum. Well, I'm just walking around in my backyard. The cat is scared because it's raining. It's not even raining. It smelled like it rained earlier, I said. But you want to see my dog? Let's go see her. Sheila! Come on here! She got the dog. Shishi! Shishi! Come here! Look! Here we go. Here's her. Girl, you're on camera. There we go. Here's my little poochie. Here's my little poochie. She's here on camera. That's this thing right here. That's a cat.